Alright guys, let's start our session recap for today, January 29th. Remember, today is Fed FOMC meeting, so get ready for that. As you guys can see, the market is not moving that much today. Not at all. Oops, I have an alert right now on my JPY-USD. Anyways, okay, let's go. Euro, let's see what the Euro is doing today before FOMC. Not doing anything. You guys can see going just sideways. Let me go to the 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 30 to 60 minutes. Let's see. No, just going sideways all morning. Um, has not moved that much at all. Okay, so Euro, we might take it. Let's see what the Fips are saying. Okay, if we were to bounce up and break this trend line right here, we might take it to the 37, which is our next resistance level. Right? Let me do our resistance right about here. We will find the first one around this area, which is 3702, 3700. Actually, it's 37 even number. Remember, do not trade into 37 even numbers. I mean, into even numbers. Excuse me. We have said this before. If you take the trade right now, it's at 3660, 40 pips. You can collect 40 pips in this area, taking the break of that trend line. Okay, 40 pips potential on the euro. Now, going to the pound. Let's check what the pound is doing. Pound working the channel. Oh, it looks like they might start the bouncing of the channel. Okay, now our target are already in place. Let me change this to a regular PSR. It's wrong. It's not a daily. There you go. 166.03 is our target. Excuse me. Here is our target. Okay, after FOMC, we might see the break. So you need to be ready. One thing that might happen is the following. We have this trend line in place right here. Okay, we place our trend line there, and if we break through it, here is our target. Okay, um, let me see. Here will be our target, and this area, right about there. Now, if they decide, excuse me, my throat is killing me today, guys. I'm so sorry. To break this, then we're going south. So here are the two trades that might happen. Okay, after FOMC. Now going to the CAD. CAD, I think there is nothing to do in the CAD. Uh, we were looking at it this morning. Absolutely nothing. We're still waiting for you know, pullback, but it hasn't created any yet. I mean, yesterday we told you guys that you can take it to the bottom of the trend. That's exactly what it did. The currency, it came all the way to 110.98. Yesterday when we spoke, it was I think it was somewhere around here. Let me see, 28th, right here. Yep, just about right here. It was around 111.53, gave you about 50 pips if you took it. Good for you guys. But CAD, stay away from it. Nothing to see in the CAD. Let's go to the Swissy. Now, if the euro goes up, okay, to the 37, the Swissy will come down. So our target, it will be this resistance right here. First, let me show you here. We're gonna wait for the break of this uh, candle right here. Okay, let's see if they're gonna break that candle right here. They are gonna push it. They've been working yesterday. I think I mentioned to you guys that they had a bear flag in place. They were working a bear flag in place, and what they done is just break through it. Okay, here is what they done. They just broke the bear flag. Now they have a plenty of space to the downside. Okay, here is our space all the way to the 88 40 level. That's the Swissy. Now it all depends on what the dollar does. If the dollars, start going up, then we might see a bounce, breaking into the bear flag and probably continue higher. Now they need to square up this candle. They haven't. Well, they did it over here. They squared it up over here, but they still need to square up this candle. So we might see it coming all the way to this level. But just wait after the FOMC to see if we break through our bear flag. Okay, that's what I see in the Swissy. The Japanese yen, I think you guys took a lot of pips on this one. We said it yesterday. We were in a bear flag, and we were gonna take this trade. This gave us plenty of pips, about 80 pips, the average that you guys made. I'm happy for you guys. Good job, everybody. Let's go to the Aussie. Another trade that we identified yesterday. Bear flag, same thing today. Let's wait for the FOMC meeting. Let's see what they do. Okay. Uh, Average pips that you guys took was 85. Some of you guys took 60 pips. So good for you guys. We're still waiting for the break of the second trend line right here. Okay, if they break this one, we already said it. This is our target. Our target will be around the 86 level. Okay, so if you are in the trade, take half of it and wait for the FOMC results. Going to the New Zealand today. The New Zealand has a Fundie announcement. I think, yeah, today. Okay, now it's been working in a box. You can see it right here. Okay, they've been working a box since January the 7th, the beginning of the year, and this box is about 83 to 82. This is a 100 move that is playing along. Stay away from it. Just wait for the what do you call it? For the Fundie for tonight. Okay, so our opportunities that I see, the biggest opportunity that I see is on the yen. Okay, let's see the yen for today. If we break south, just go to the yen crosses. I mean, we can take. Yesterday we went with the GJ. All right, this was a beautiful trade. Okay, from yesterday, and we said it that it was gonna bounce off our channel, and it did, and it took us for about 200 pips. Okay, some of you guys make 100, 150. Great job, everyone. Now we have CAD yen. CAD yen is another one. This one, I think, it might bounce, guys. Yesterday we were studying this one, and I see some movement here. Kind of unsustainable move on this one. I mean, uh, they need to square up these candles. They need to come to this area to square up these candles. So we might see a bounce to square it up, creating a bear flag, and then to take it south. But we'll see what they're gonna do with the CAD yen. Still waiting for FOMC for today. Okay, I think it's at 11, 11:15 Eastern time. Yes, that's 11:15 Eastern time. Yeah, that's correct. So I hope to see you guys tomorrow morning. All right, have a good one, guys. See you tomorrow.